Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.